Your car is losing power. Your mileage dropped. Your engine feels lazy. Most likely, your injectors are dirty. But here's the good news. You don't have to remove them to fix it. Today, I'm showing you 7 ways to clean your fuel injectors without taking them out. Let's dive in. Number 7, carbon clearing machine service. Carbon clearing machine service is a more intensive method of removing carbon deposits from the inside of the engine. Instead of just adding a bottle to the tank, a machine is connected to the vehicle, so a stronger cleaning solution can circulate through the intake system or fuel rail. This is usually done by a workshop or dealer's service center. The goal is to remove stubborn buildup on intake valves, combustion chambers, and injectors that normal fuel cleaners cannot reach. It can restore lost performance and reduce rough idle or hesitation. Some engines, like direct injection engines, benefit from it more due to how carbon builds up. It is a scheduled maintenance choice for drivers who want a deeper, professional-level clean. Number 6, use top-tier gas only. This one is invisible but powerful. Use top-tier gas only because it contains a certified higher level of detergent additives than the minimum government requirement. These extra detergents help prevent carbon deposits from forming on injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Cleaner internals mean smoother performance and better fuel efficiency over time. Top-tier fuel also helps maintain consistent injector spray patterns. Even if the gas is the same octane, the cleanliness difference matters long-term. Top-tier stations voluntarily meet a tougher standard from automakers. Using it regularly is one of the simplest ways to protect your fuel system every time you fill up. Number 5, add fuel system cleaner to the fuel tank. Add fuel system cleaner to the fuel tank to help dissolve carbon, varnish, and gum that naturally builds up over time. It is designed to mix with gasoline and move with the fuel through lines, injectors, and valves. When these parts stay cleaner, fuel atomizes better and burns more completely. Better combustion often means smoother idle and improved throttle response. It can also help maintain good injector spray patterns. Using it every few thousand miles is cheap prevention compared to expensive injector work. It is one of the simplest, while you fuel, steps most drivers can actually do themselves. Number 4, regular highway driving. Regular highway driving is actually good for modern engines because they reach full operating temperature and stay there long enough to burn off moisture and soft carbon. At steady speeds, the engine is not constantly stopping and starting, so it runs more efficiently. This cruise time allows the catalytic converter to stay hot and work at peak efficiency as well. It reduces the stress of constant acceleration like in city traffic. Highway miles are usually less wear on brakes and transmissions too. The engine management system also tends to do better fuel trimming at consistent load. A car that gets regular highway use generally ages more gracefully. Number 3, regular highway driving. Throttle body and air intake cleaner is specially formulated to remove dirt, oil, and carbon deposits from the throttle plate and intake passage. Over time, these areas collect residue that restricts airflow and affect idle quality. Cleaning them helps the engine breathe more freely and respond better to throttle input. It also stabilizes idle speed and can improve fuel economy slightly. The process involves spraying the cleaner into the throttle body while the engine is off or idling, depending on instructions. This restores smooth airflow to the intake system. Regular cleaning keeps the air path clean and the engine performing efficiently. Number 2, high-concentrated injector cleaner. High-concentrated injector cleaner is a stronger formula designed to go directly into the fuel tank to target clogged or partially restricted injectors. Compared to regular cleaners, it has a higher dose of detergents and solvents to dissolve hard carbon and varnish. By restoring a proper spray pattern, it helps fuel atomize more evenly. Better atomization means more complete combustion and smoother acceleration. It may also help reduce misfire symptoms caused by dirty injectors. This type of cleaner is ideal when the engine feels rough or fuel economy suddenly drops. It is a fast, convenient way to attempt recovery before considering expensive injector service. Number 1, fuel system cleaner kit. A fuel system cleaner kit is a packaged combination of cleaners used to treat multiple sections of the engine's fuel and air path. Usually it includes a tank treat injector cleaner, an intake/valve spray, and sometimes a throttle body cleaner can. By using all of them together, you attack carbon, varnish, and gum from both the fuel side and the air side. This removes deposits that a single bottle in the tank cannot fully reach. When injectors spray better and valves seal better, combustion becomes cleaner and more efficient. It also helps stabilize idle and improve throttle response. A fuel system cleaner kit is like a mini tune-up session you can do without dismantling the engine. That's all for the video. These are the 7 real methods to clean injectors without even touching a wrench. Don't let shops scare you into paying hundreds. Most of the time, you don't need a mechanic. You just need the right knowledge. See you in the next video.